Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. We are back with another video for Little Crafty Kitty's Happy Craftoween collaboration. This time the prompt is costume. See how to make a simple no-sew candy corn costume for your dolls to wear this Halloween. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to look up the hashtag Happy Craftoween to watch all the other fabulous participant videos.
Headpiece is secure. Excellent! The guests are here, right on time. Let's start the party!
For this craft, we are using tulle in white, yellow, orange and black. You will also need elastic. Take your doll, it doesn't have to be an American girl, and measure around her waist to know how much elastic to cut. Next, measure from her waist to mid-thigh for the length of your tulle strips. Add a few centimetres to the waist measurement and double the length of the drop, plus some allowance. Lay out your tulle to cut a piece 24 centimetres, which is double the drop, plus the allowance. Next, cut strips. Ours are about the same width as our ruler, 2.5 centimetres. Do this for all the colours of your tulle. Cut your elastic waistband and we are ready to make the skirt. Simply fold your tulle in half, feed it under the elastic and pass the tail ends through the loop. Pull tight to knot the tulle over the band. Repeat for your next coloured strip. We went for a white, yellow, orange, black pattern. When the elastic band is full, tie the ends together in a knot. Here we put Kira in a black unitard as a base. It's an AG piece from Isabel's dance collection. You could also try a black doll t-shirt or swimsuit, but the top needs embellishment. For this, we took scraps of fun foam to make mini candy corns. On white fun foam, sketch a triangle with curved corners. Cut it out. Then trace onto orange, yellow and more white fun foam for the second layer. You should have something like this. Now glue your colourful segments onto the white base shape. If your fun foam does not have adhesive on the back, you can always use liquid glue for this step. To attach the candy corn embellishment to the unitard, we will hot glue a tiny pin to the back side. Make many, many more. Take the unitard off your doll's body before arranging and pinning on the candy corn embellishments. Now the doll bodice is as bright and cheerful as the skirt. Let's make a quick headpiece to finish off the costume. Take more fun foam and just like before, make a candy corn embellishment, only this time a little bigger and wider. Accordion fold a strip of your black tulle and hot glue to the back of your fun foam. To wear the headpiece, you can hot glue a bun pin or clip to the back side. We hope you enjoyed this simple no-sew costume, and be sure to check out the hashtag for more fun Halloween videos. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!